Repair your leaking pool light niche with the Light Doctor Disc. The Light Doctor Disc feature in this video was provided to me for review purposes by Frank Wall Enterprises LLC. The Light Doctor discs are made from durable Lexan and used for permanently enclosing light niches for vinyl liner pools. Pump pool water down below light. Remove pool light from niche. Remove screws from trim ring. Remove ring. Clean liner or pool wall with alcohol. Put a bead of silicone caulking on pool wall behind disc. Gaskets are available for this also. If you purchased a gasket, place the gasket between the pool wall and the Light Doctor disc. Install and align Light Doctor disc with 2 screws to hold disc in place. Caulk screw holes before placing screws. Use a quality pool caulking like Boss 802. Use a screwdriver to install mounting screws. Avoid over-tightening or stripping holes. The Light Doctor disc is a great solution for permanently enclosing light niches for vinyl pools. Available in 6, 8, and 10-hole niche styles and can be used on top or beneath the liner. This completes the install of the Light Doctor disc and solves the problem of your leaking light. These discs are a great product for making your leaking niche repair job easier. There is also a main drain disc available. The Light Doctor main drain disc is made from durable Lexan and used for enclosing main drains for vinyl liner pools.